So here's a real quick video about printing without a brim. And you can see this print. It's got no brim along its length. It's a completely cylindrical crochet hook, and it's only at the ends it's got these 0.2mm circles that just touch at each end. And that's just enough to keep the print completely flat and stuck to the bed and attached so it doesn't move or break off the bed. It works really well. You can see in the slicer there's only one layer for the brim circles, and they're only just attached to the object. This makes it much easier to remove the brim circles afterwards. And here's one I printed earlier, and you can see the circle is just attached at the end. And it's just a real, when it's printing, the cylinder is only just touching, but it doesn't curl up at all, and it looks really good. So easy to clean off.